Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of scorpions in your laundry room naturally. This video will explore everything that you will need and provide methods that will keep your laundry room free of the nuisance of scorpions, so make sure you stick around for that. Use diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a naturally occurring substance made up of fossils. Its particles have extremely sharp edges that will destroy the scorpion's exoskeleton when applied. Once the exoskeleton is damaged, the scorpion will desiccate and eventually die from dehydration. Apply diatomaceous earth directly on the scorpions when you spot them, or sprinkle it in areas where they are likely to be around your laundry room. Lightly sprinkle the powder in these spaces since adding more won't be as effective. This is an ideal way of getting rid of scorpions in homes where pets and children are, since it's non-toxic. Setting up sticky traps. Another non-toxic way of getting rid of scorpions from your laundry room is using sticky traps. The adhesive on these traps will cling to and trap any scorpions that may pass through them. Place these sticky traps in the dark corners of your laundry room or near taps, if any, and leave them. Check on the trap from time to time and discard it once it is full of scorpions. Use essential oils. Some essential oils like cinnamon oil, lavender oil, and cedar oil have strong repellent capabilities. You can use these oils to drive scorpions out and keep them from invading your laundry room. The strong scent from these oils will keep the scorpions away. You can either use the oils directly or dilute them with water. Spray any of these essential oils around your laundry room, particularly in the spaces the scorpions are likely to be hiding, to drive them out. Use boric acid. Boric acid works as a poison against scorpions to eliminate them. When the scorpions ingest boric acid, it will lead to their death, making it an effective way of getting rid of them. So there you have it. Getting rid of scorpions in your laundry room should now be very easy so that you protect yourself, children, and pets from their stings. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.